Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Microsoft Forms through Excel online. So we know Microsoft Forms are used extensively nowadays because of its rich capabilities and the logics like branching and its integration with SharePoint and other applications. So now I'm going to show you how you can do this using Excel online. So in front of you I have opened the office page of my Office 365. So I have this Excel option here. I want to create a new blank workbook and this is going to be created in my OneDrive. I can put a name here, Forms Demo. Alright, now if I go to the Insert tab here, I have this Forms option. I can create a new form. So this is opening Forms for Excel. Alright, I can put this name is already updated and I can add questions. Let's say text. I'm going to make it very simple for the purpose of this exercise, but you have all the capabilities of forms that I have updated in other videos. You can go through that to know more about it, how it works and how you can proceed with this. What is your name? What is your TOB? Alright, these two simple things I have added. Now let me show how it works. You see you have this option open in Excel because of this. Alright, so now if you preview, this is how it looks. You can always change the design you want to, and you can go for mobile preview, computer preview. Alright, now let's share this. Go for settings. Who can fill this form? Anyone with this form, with this link can respond. You can put start date, end date, shuffle questions, email notification for each response, customize thank you message. All these capabilities you have. Once you go to the share, you have this link. Just copy it. So I've opened the link in a new browser. What is your name? You can put, let's say, John. What is your date of birth? Select any date. I know this is not accurate. Submit. And you are allowed to submit multiple responses. So you can put again Smith. What is your date of birth? Okay, now let's go back to our Excel. Yeah, you can see now it has been updated automatically. When I opened it, when it was done, no email address was captured. That's why it's anonymous, and neither do name. So questions are here and answers are also there. You can always modify this form and the settings, and it works. You can see two responses are there for both the questions. You can click on open in Excel and it's going to open the same file. You saw the message that the file is stored in OneDrive. See, so that's how you can create forms for Excels in Microsoft Form. So the logic behind this is like suppose you have an Excel file that you want to fill information with. So what do? Like you create columns and then you create the form so that end users can fill the information. So Excel is going to act as a repository here. So what you got to do in this way is that first create an Excel online file and then create a form. So whatever questions you add, that's going to be the the column names here in your Excel, and you can share that with your users who need to fill it up. Once they fill up, that piece of information is going to be captured here, and in this way your Excel file is saved. Now this is stored in your OneDrive. You can share it with people and the way you really want to. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything, please go ahead and ask and I will answer. And if you have not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe in order to support my channel. Thank you.